Morning YouTube, back out again. Just a quick cheeky 9-miler. It's finally dry, thank God. I'm out with my dad today, so say hi Dad.
Hiya.
So today we're going to do a quick loop in Farthing Common area of southeast Kent. It's a fresh start, but it's dry and that's the main thing. So I'll catch you a bit later. Hope you all enjoyed this short walk as much as I did. At just under 9 miles, it was a great circular walk starting at Farthing Common, continuing down into Skeet, onto Stowting, through Limbridge Green, and then through Westwood, and then back to Farthing Common. If you like this content, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and feel free to give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, I'll leave you with some stunning views of the Kent countryside from the top of the North Downs. Take care and stay safe.